बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं तो विद द स्पिन खेलना काफी आसान हो सकता है, मगर उतने ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड बॉलर है स्लीबा। एक ही रन मिलता हुआ, एडवांटेज नहीं ले पा रहे अभी तक।
काफी सपोर्टर्स यहाँ पे अब केरला स्ट्राइकर की टीम के, होम टीम है और उसके साथ साथ मुंबई हीरोज के भी।
काफी खूबसूरत चेहरे मैदान में। कुछ सितारे जमीन पर आ चुके हो अजय।
अपूर्व अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं कि अब सीधे बल्ले से खेल रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं अब जो कनेक्शन है वो ज्यादा बेहतर नजर आ रहा है। विद स्पिन अब खेलने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। बस एक चीज अब और जो उनको करनी होगी कि अब गैप ढूंढने होंगे जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रहते हैं। फिर से सीधे बल्ले से खेला, बढ़िया स्ट्राइक और यहाँ पे 4 रन मिलेंगे। प्रयास बहुत बढ़िया था डीप में, पर कोई मौका नहीं फील्डर के लिए। तेज गति से गेंद जाती हुई सीमा रेखा के बाहर।
बहुत ही शानदार शॉट आफ्ताब द्वारा, बिल्कुल अंपायर के सर के ऊपर से मारते हुए सीधा शॉट। बेहतरीन एग्जीक्यूशन, एक बाउंस की वाव शॉट।
बूमची का वावा चौका और बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक, अच्छी वापसी कहना होगा सलीबा द्वारा। पहले 3 ओवर बहुत ही शानदार कार्य किया था, गेंदबाजी की शुरुआत की थी। अब नई गेंद से लगभग गेंदबाजी करना कभी भी आसान नहीं रहता किसी भी स्पिनर के लिए। शिवदसानी की बात करें, 36 पे नाबाद 33 गेंदों का सामना किया है, 3 चौके और 1 छक्का लगा चुके अपनी पारी में। और इस बार क्लीन बोल्ड, अक्रॉस लाइन खेलने का प्रयास आफ्ताब शिवदसानी का, और यहां पे एक और सफलता मिलती हुई स्लीबा को।
कोशिश बेहतरीन थी और इस स्टेज पे शॉट मारना बनता भी था। थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक कर गए, सर पहले उठा लिया, बॉल के ऊपर नजर नहीं रखी आखिर तक, इस वजह से बॉल को मिस कर दिया। मगर क्रेडिट देना होगा स्लीबा को, जिसने बाउंड्री खाने के बाद भी अपना संतुलन नहीं खोया और एक विकेट जाती हुई। आफ्ताब शिवदसानी 36 रनों की अच्छी पारी खेलने के बाद पैविलियन लौटते हुए मुंबई हीरो का स्कोर 111 पे 4।
Once again, banging in shot. That's a good delivery. Coming straight at the basket. Never easy to dispatch those. Apurva trying his best, but in vain.
It's a very good shot ball by Madan Mohan, aiming at his head. Fortunate for Apurva that didn't really make contact either with the bat or the body. The massive crowd, good union of cricket and entertainment, has produced 70,000 spectators watching the game. Again, a play and a miss.
Yes, you just mentioned those figures, and this is the news what we are just getting. 70,000 people in this ground at the moment, and it's packed to capacity. Really, not a seat vacant in this lovely stadium. The crowds have come in large numbers to see the heroes. This is a great game of cricket that they are witnessing. Back to the rafters. That struck well, equally well fielded. This is absolutely great stuff. Good bowling, good batting, and then complemented by some excellent fielding. Just having a view outside the ground, all the parking area is full. Not a single area available for parking. And because of that, probably 70,000 people are in. Once again, trying his best, a lot of power in that stroke, and that's the boundary that Mumbai Heroes needed. Shabir getting that one. The first for him, and applauded by his teammates.
An excellent shot, moving outside his leg stump, making room to play over covers. Execution absolutely perfect. It's a boom chicka wow shot.
Yeah, Sohail Khan, the owner, is pretty happy. Boom chika wawa boundary there by Shabir. Moving on to 7 of just 3 deliveries. Once again backing away and making room for himself. Find the fielder up on the way. He'll just settle for 1.
Salman Khan wondering the outcome of the match.
Once again pulling that one, not timing it too well. Will manage a single up to end the over. The 19th one, 129 for 4.
Mr. Manmuti here with me. When he entered the stadium, there was a deafening roar. You could hear the excitement in the 60,000 people in the stands. He was here last year as well, I remember, and the sound was exactly the same. How does it feel to be here again?
I am thrilled because I am seeing this big crowd for the second time in this stadium. Last time it was for the last game we played here. This is the second time I see this big crowd.
How do you see the match going from here on in? I think the Kerala Strikers have done well so far. They've restricted Mumbai Heroes to 130. You've got to have very high hopes for the Kerala Strikers winning this match.
Anyway, Kerala Strikers will strike again.
Absolutely. And with support from legends like you, they can't be, they don't need any motivation or
We
inspiration.
came for the motive. We came for the cause. Cause behind the game.
No, absolutely. And like I said, when you have legends like you supporting the Kerala Strikers, they will no doubt do it very well. Thank you so much for your time, and please enjoy the game. And thank you for your support to CCL. Thank you so much. And that's all from the ground side right now. Back to you guys in the commentary box.
Thanks, Rohan. And the last over now in progress. How many runs can Mumbai Heroes manage from this over? One can certainly say this is going to be a fighting score. They'll give their all, Mumbai Heroes on the field. Apurva, he's on strike at the moment. Kodieri, he's done a decent job. Economy has been very impressive from him, just over 4. Once again, not timing it too well. We just manage a single. Throughout this innings, one thing is for certain, Sanjay, that the quality of bowling has been pretty good from Kerala Strikers right from the beginning. The seamers did a remarkable job. So did Saliba, the left-arm spinner. They look very accurate. They're bowling in the right areas, squeezing the runs up all the way.
Yeah, the bowling has been spot on. They've done a lot of hard work. They've come a long way since the last I saw them in their inaugural edition. I mean, singles and twos really won't make much of a difference. Chance of a run out. Spectacularly done by the wicketkeeper. And that's dismissed. A special effort from the wicketkeeper. Throw from the deep, throw from long on. Well taken. And then he flung himself into the air to create a run out. Absolutely astounding run out.
Yeah, once again, the quality of fielding was tremendous. Good throw. And then the keeper giving his all, diving and taking the bails off. And Shabir was always going to be in trouble. He's run out by Pillay for 9. It's 1-3-1 for 5.
Oh, big appeal, but no, not at this stage. I think the intent not really right from Purohi. You need to go for everything now, especially with just 2 deliveries remaining. You're not going to gain anything by playing a dot ball. I think Apurva will definitely give it his all. 132 for 5. But at times, such low scoring games can also be very interesting. So we'll have to wait and watch. It's up to Atharva going for it, but finding a fielder at mid wicket, resulting only in 1 run.
So once again, excellent bowling by KDR because he's changing his length regularly. Last ball of the innings coming up. Rohi on strike at the moment. Down the track, giving it a whack. There'll be runs up on that occasion, right? The first one hard. They're back for the second. So after 20 overs, Mumbai Heroes 135 for the loss of 5 wickets.
And I like that. I mean, we always thought that if our actors play cricket seriously, their sport would grow up, and it's really grown. I'm really happy with this.
Well, it is obviously grown because you see the crowd here, the support, and it's not just here. It's wherever CCL goes, you see a lot of love, a lot of support. The cricket's been very good, very competitive. You've got to be very impressed by the way all these actors, it's not their profession to play cricket, but they come out there and give 120% and they make all of you proud.
I think the first love must have been cricket. They all must have wanted to get into the Indian cricket team or play Ranji, and then only 11 or 14 every year, few people can play. And, most of the guys then eventually from there, try to get into acting. And some of the guys have made it, and all the guys who made it in the first love was cricket. They're playing here now.
And your team.
And some of the guys who are actually cricketers, some teams have made movies for them and they got it.
We've heard about that. We've heard that the standard of CCL has improved unfairly for some teams because they've got a few cricketers to act in a few movies and get them in. But Mumbai Heroes, your team, Mumbai Heroes, how have you seen the development of Mumbai Heroes over the last 2 years?
See, our guys are really busy, as actors. Some on TVs, some doing character artists, some are stars. But they've been playing. They've been practicing really seriously, and that's a good thing, because being so busy with their acting careers and our acting, working schedules are like very long hours. So after that, putting time on the field is you can see the difference now.
No, it's very commendable because I know, not because I've acted, but because I've seen the long hours that you guys have in shoots, mornings, nights, it's crazy. But it's for them to, like you said, get out there on the field, practice and put on this performance. Very commendable. So you must be very proud, not only of the Mumbai Heroes, but of the entire CCL adventure so far.
That's apart from that, people play it pretty seriously. They're loving the sport. There's a lot of competition. There's no trial ball, give me one chance type, get one actor favoring the actor. In fact, the actors are getting pretty upset and angry with, the other film industry actors and stuff like that. Each one wants to go by the rules, play by the book, and they're giving it their best shot. And everybody out here, the only motive is to win, win, and win.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time, Salman. It's always good seeing you. Enjoy the rest of the night. That was the legend Salman Khan here on pitch side, watching the game between his team Mumbai Heroes and the Kerala Strikers. It's back to you guys in the comm box.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you for the wonderful chat. But Kerala Strikers, they'll be back with the chase. Need 136 to win.